Hey, today's video is a step-by-step for my non-gaming friends to learn how to link their Amazon Prime and then use it to support me by subscribing to my Twitch channel. Cyreks here to show you how to subscribe to your favorite streamer using your Prime. This works for PC and mobile browser. Despite Twitch asking you to download its app to your mobile device, you don't need it for this. In fact, the subscription part of this will not work on the app. You have to use the mobile browser. I'd like to say thanks to the little witch, Lori Grace, for asking me to do this video. The link to all her witchy business will be in the description. Alright, let's get to it. There are multiple ways to link these accounts. I'm showing you what I think is the easiest way. You can also do it on the Prime Gaming website or find it on your Amazon membership page. So the first thing you do is go to my Twitch channel. I will link it down below for you. Then you go to my About section, which is right here, and then scroll down until you see Prime Gaming right here. So you want to click that. It will take you to Amazon. From here, the instructions are kind of right here on the screen for you. Just click on the link right here and number 1. And then you go to connect a Twitch account. It's asking me that I'm in Canada, so I'm going to say continue. At the top of this page here, it says Prime Gaming, and it lets you know that your Amazon Prime membership includes Prime Gaming benefits, which is what I'm showing you here today. You log in using your Amazon Prime login information, and then it'll take you to Twitch, which is owned by Amazon. It's going to ask you to log into your Twitch account. Now, if you don't have one, you can click right here and sign up for your Twitch account. If you've already created one, like I have, then you log in. Remember, if you are on mobile at this point, it's probably going to ask you to download the Twitch app. Don't download it. It is not useful for this. You actually cannot sub using the app. So here it's going to show you your 2 accounts that you're linking, Twitch account and your Amazon. All right, there we have on my account here. I've already linked these accounts, so right here it's going to say link account, and that should be it for the sign up process. Now you go back to my Twitch channel, which again the link will be in the description. Here there is a button. This account is already subbed to my channel. Here it's going to say subscribe. Then you're going to scroll down where it says Prime subscription right here. This account is already subbed to my channel. It also says your Prime sub will be available on February 28th, which is in like 3 days. Right here is going to say subscribe with Prime. And that's the button you're going to push, and it's not going to cost you anything. I hope this helps you link your accounts and successfully subscribe using your Prime benefits. Thank you for watching and supporting my content.